management technique that I use, like I said, is a pattern interrupt. It's designed to get everybody's attention. So what happened? Everybody be saying some songs together. If you're happy, if I go like this, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Why'd you clap your hands? Because you're happy. Okay, good. So these are pattern interrupts. Other pattern interrupts that I use, I do accents. I change my voice. Sometimes I don't know if this is Irish, it's Scottish. It doesn't make a difference because here's the thing. Your kids, if you change your accent or you do a voice, it doesn't matter. Their ears and their hair perk up in their ear, and then all of a sudden they have to pay attention to you. It's not a choice. If you heard a loud crash outside, everybody would be like, what the heck just happened? You wouldn't be able to not pay attention. I just need the kids' attention for 1 to 2 seconds tops so I can go on to the next thing. The pattern interrupt that I use the most are animal noises. By the way, as early childhood educators, I feel we should be masterful over animal noises. Right? I mean, how many other jobs could you have that you could be doing animal noises? Not only will you not get fired, you'll be acknowledged by your director or by your boss or whatever. So, let me hear a dog noise. Everybody bark. Everybody meow. Awesome. Everybody make a monkey noise. Okay. So I was teaching the yoga karate class, and I had one of my new kids. I was doing an elephant noise. Because when I teach body weight calisthenics, I go like this, and I want to do elephant so that I go woo, like that, so they get to balance on one arm and 2 legs. And one of my kids goes, that sucked. Which is not the worst thing I've heard with UCK in the word from a 3-year-old. So I went on YouTube and I actually looked up how to make an elephant noise. And I'm going to teach you how to do it. And I'm going to give you 2 opportunities. First, I'm going to be quiet so you can make up a story in your head about how many of you are going to do it and you're excited. And then others of you, I already told yourself how to do it. So my question is, 2 questions. How's that working for you? And how does it benefit? Make sense? Okay, so the way you do an elephant noise, you're going to pull your lips in. First, wet your lips a little bit. Okay? Your own lip. Okay? Pull your, some of these jokes are levels, it's okay. So, you're going to pull your lips like this, just like you took your dentures out. You're going to press your lips down together, and then as hard as you can, blow out of your mouth like this. So now, for those that tried the elephant noise, and for the first time, I know you're the ones that tried it for the first time, because the second that you did it, all of a sudden you erupted in laughter, and your face probably went red. Then there's other people in the room that already told themselves they're not going to make an elephant noise, and now they hate you. Just let you know, okay? So, for the people that did try the elephant noise because of whatever story they made up in their mind, fine, how's it working for you? I offer you another opportunity. So let's do another elephant noise. And ready? Pull your lips in. And go. Tremendous. I love it.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.